It's definitely in the 70s, and he's absolutely, he's absolutely nailed that. Not even. Damn it. That's big. Yeah, he's a good one. Like, he's a keeper.
It's clearer than was last time.
He's only pinned in the corner again as well. Where's he gone? He's coming back up. Yeah, dude.
Nice.
Got another one.
Look at that beautiful blue on his tail.
Yeah, I think he looks school-sized again. Bro, if we can do it, if we can replicate. Look at it. Look at the flatty. And he's hooked it in the corner. He's a good boy. It's a good keeper size. Oh, there is. Oh, right there. Right there.
What the fuck is that?
That's a ray or a turtle, man. Dude, I just got hit right in front of us.
Bait flicking and shit.
Oh, there's bait up here as well, look.
The bait's losing its mind.
You must have got hit. Alright, we just cruise up and cast around and, just serve him. How about that? Turns are certainly perking up over there. Actually, everywhere. By the look of it. Oh, hello, butterfly, sorry. Come on, you go hook one. Come on, Lo. So, ooh. Over towards the usual zone. Oh, good. Let's cast again, dude. Let's see if we can repeat it. Imagine if we can. Yes. Sun's going. Oh, it's a bit of spare stuff on there. Yeah.
I might even have to have a swim when I go home today. Haven't used the pool in a while.
Queenslanders are so dumb because they're like, oh, it gets cold, and then like everyone's like in woolly bullies, and then it's like, oh, it's hot, you're gonna go to the pool. Everyone else is like, we don't understand. Well, that felt like a donk. You got one? Oh, that's a flatty. Those head shakes. Does it feel good?
Feels alright.
I have a cast too. Where'd you get the long tongue? Well, maybe they're more over to the left. Oh! Yeah, I'm getting eaten out there. Dude!
Oh, it's a big brim.
Did you see the pack of brim on my lure just then?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Big brim.
Big brum. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, I'm getting brim picked out there again. Oh, what is that, dude? Did you see it come up?
No. Wait, I reckon that'll take the surface.
What is this? I hope it isn't a turtle. Oh no, I foul hooked a brim. But he smashed that. Away from the electric. Dude, surface walker,
I reckon.
would get absolutely nailed. I'll put sunscreen flavouring on the lure for him. We'll see if they eat it. Those brim are vicious right now. Look at everyone trying to get the tailor. Come on, towards that edge, there's gonna be something big. Ooh. Oh. Oh, tailor.
Really?
Yeah. You see him jump? You can catch some big tailor, you're right. Because I caught like around 60. I just don't know how he's hooked because he bite me off. Oh, it's brim.
Look.
Dude, he smashed Slim Swim. It's chunky.
Big tail.
We jumped out of the water.
Yeah.
Sunscreen's made my hand slippery. Well, he still eats the lure with the sunscreen on it.
Another one.
Bait.
Oh, flatty.
Vibraty one. Yeah, I know, buddy. That swim. I mean, what doesn't like? What doesn't like a swim?
I was actually faster than I thought I would go.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was kind of going it quite fast for like Taylor.
Ah, and he just snaffled it. Maybe Brim like the fast one.
Oh, I just got hit again. I feel Brim food.
They'll smash it like one after the other. Just, I think I've got them on my lure as well. Pack of them. Yeah. Oh. Oof. Fucking.
Nice.
I swear this Brim just here, just smashing me, dude. When you go, because it's got like the weedy bits coming up, you just keep your like rod tip up high and keep it off it. Even if it's like subsurface, it's still pretty good. Oh yeah, Brimbies. Brimbies? Yeah, there's a lot of bait coming through now. Surely we're gonna find some big old flatties.
Maybe the Brim have taken over this spot.
Should hook some Brim with the chubby now. Good grounds for it. Oof. Oh, what? I was hooked up there.
Wait.
Yeah. Something weird going on, dude. Yeah, the bait's coming across like the right patch. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, and the terns are all out there feeding. I'm sure at the bar they'll be smashing that bait that we saw before. That was just too thick. Like, there we go. That's flatty.
Yeah.
Doesn't know it's hooked yet. I hope it's not the turtle. Oh, that doesn't feel good at all, man. This feels decent. No, that's head shakes, man. This is a good one. Good one. In the zone, man. Oh, dude, this is big, I think. Please be big one.
Big potato thing?
Yeah.
Definitely not turtle.
It's fucking heavy, man. Oh, dude, it's. I can feel it grazing the line. I know it's hooked at least. Oh, come on, motor. This is a big one. Come back this way, come on. Alright, this one's is a bit better than a 60. Oh, he might be a 60. I hope it's a flathead. Please be a flathead.
What's it on? The Motorola?
No, white one. Oh, I don't like that fucking feeling. Oh, there it is again.
Did you see it?
No, I'm just feeling.
The line.
Yeah. Oh, motor. Oh, definite head shakes. Oh.
Good. He's real good.
It swallowed it.
Fuck, man.
That's a good one. Oh, bro. That might be my PB, dude. Oh, damn. Dude, I knew he hooked it down because I could feel like the abrasion.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. So we're fishing that same spot that we made the last video. And it was a bit quiet for a while, but we've hooked a solid lizard. There's that one. It's definitely in the 70s and he's absolutely nailed that. Oh God. I'm gonna have to try and get that out of him. Need some water on that. There we go, there she is. We're on the 70 mark. The lure's way down the gully. I have to try and extract that. Yeah. This is gonna be the hard part. Look at the lure, dude. Oh my God. It's on the gill.
I'm so impressed that you lose that. Is that 4 pound?
No, it's 8 pound.
Oh, that's yours. Yeah. Your mono setup.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Chafed.
I can see it. I don't even have to feel it.
We've got some seriously chafed line now. On the 3-inch slim swim. I'll show you this flathead. Oh, she's bleeding a bit actually. Look at that. Giant flatty. Now we'll put her back because she's bleeding quite a lot. Yeah, it's a horse.